but it was especially at the time because when it was painted in 1840, the country was beginning to industrialize, and so and people were beginning to move more to the cities, and people thought, wow, America's really changing. Changed a lot of things then. So they go, wow, just go back to the good old days. Painting was really fun. Now, in reality, the good old days were never that good. No matter what the good old days were, but when you look back on anything, it always looks better. Yeah.
Now, I don't know if it's the woman's fault, but
She asks an interesting question, don't you?
Yeah, the guy, right? He definitely typed.